Welcome to latest Cars 2025, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews, detailed tours, and everything you need to know about the latest vehicles and recreational rides on the market. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Grand Design Lineage RV, a model that has quickly become a standout in the world of luxury travel trailers. Whether you're an experienced RV enthusiast or just starting to explore the world of recreational travel, this review will give you all the essential details you need to know. The 2025 Grand Design Lineage RV is a masterpiece of modern engineering and design. From the moment you step into this RV, it's clear that every inch of the interior has been crafted with comfort, functionality, and luxury in mind. The open floor plan feels spacious and inviting, making it ideal for both short getaways and extended trips. High-quality materials are used throughout the RV, including polished wood finishes, soft touch surfaces, and durable flooring that's designed to withstand heavy use while maintaining a sleek and stylish look. One of the first features that stands out is the living area, which has been optimized for relaxation and entertainment. The plush seating, including a full-sized sofa and recliners, offers unmatched comfort for winding down after a long day of travel. Large panoramic windows not only flood the space with natural light but also provide stunning views of your surroundings, bringing the outdoors in. The entertainment center is equipped with a high-definition smart TV, surround sound speakers, and connectivity options for all your devices, ensuring you'll never miss your favorite shows or movies on the road. The kitchen in the 2025 Grand Design Lineage RV is truly a chef's dream. It features state-of-the-art appliances, including a full-sized refrigerator, a convection microwave, and a high-performance stove with multiple burners. The countertop space is ample, thanks to smartly designed slide-outs, and the solid surface materials make cleanup a breeze. There's also an oversized sink with a modern faucet, and the cabinetry is not only spacious but also equipped with soft close mechanisms for added convenience. Whether you're whipping up a quick breakfast or preparing a gourmet dinner, this kitchen makes it easy to feel at home. Moving into the bedroom, the focus on luxury continues. The master suite features a king-size bed with a premium memory foam mattress, ensuring a restful night's sleep no matter where your travels take you. There's plenty of storage, including large wardrobes and underbed compartments, so you can bring along everything you need for your journey. The thoughtful layout of the bedroom creates a private and cozy retreat, complete with ambient lighting and USB charging ports conveniently placed for your gadgets. The bathroom is another highlight of the Grand Design Lineage RV. It's spacious and functional, with a full-sized shower that features glass doors and a modern rainfall shower. The vanity area includes a large mirror, plenty of counter space, and additional storage for toiletries. The toilet is positioned for comfort, and the overall layout ensures that even multiple travelers will find the bathroom easy to use without feeling cramped. This attention to detail makes it clear that Grand Design has prioritized convenience and comfort for every aspect of the RV. One of the most exciting features of the 2025 Lineage RV is the advanced technology integrated throughout. From climate control systems that allow you to customize the temperature in different zones to a state-of-the-art control panel for monitoring power usage, tank levels, and lighting, this RV truly embraces modern tech. Many of these features can even be controlled remotely via a smartphone app, giving you the flexibility to manage your RV settings no matter where you are. When it comes to storage, the Lineage RV doesn't disappoint. The exterior storage compartments are not only large but also thoughtfully organized, with features like sliding trays and LED lighting to make access easy, even in low-light conditions. Whether you're packing camping gear, outdoor furniture, or extra supplies, you'll find plenty of room to bring along everything you need for your adventures. Another impressive aspect of the 2025 Grand Design Lineage RV is its towing performance. Thanks to an innovative frame design and advanced suspension system, this RV is easier to tow than many others in its class. The aerodynamic profile reduces wind resistance, improving fuel efficiency for your tow vehicle. Safety features such as electronic stability control and anti-sway technology add an extra layer of confidence when navigating various road conditions. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a first-time RVer, you'll appreciate how well this model handles on the road. The exterior design of the Lineage RV is just as impressive as the interior. The sleek, modern styling is enhanced by high-quality materials and finishes, making this RV a head-turner at any campsite. Features like a retractable awning with LED lighting, outdoor speakers, and even an exterior kitchenette create the perfect setup for outdoor living. You can easily enjoy the great outdoors while still having access to all the conveniences of home, making it ideal for families, couples, or solo adventurers. Sustainability is another area where the 2025 Grand Design Lineage RV shines. The model incorporates energy-efficient appliances, LED lighting, and even optional solar panels for off-grid capabilities. This focus on eco-friendly features not only reduces your environmental footprint but also gives you more freedom to explore remote locations without worrying about power sources. It's a thoughtful touch that aligns with the needs of modern travelers looking for greener ways to experience the world. Overall, the 2025 Grand Design Lineage RV sets a new standard for luxury and innovation in the RV market. It's clear that the designers have listened to the needs and preferences of RV enthusiasts, delivering a model that truly stands out in every category. Whether it's the spacious and well-appointed interior, the cutting-edge technology, or the excellent towing performance, this RV offers an exceptional travel experience. If you're in the market for a recreational vehicle that combines comfort, style, and functionality, the Grand Design Lineage RV is definitely worth considering. Thank you for joining us on Latest Cars 2025 for this in-depth review of the 2025 Grand Design Lineage RV. We hope this walkthrough has given you a clear picture of what makes this model so special. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews and updates. We'll see you in the next video.